Stop what you're doing right now and devote all of your attention to the total profits of over $4,000 that are coming into your account almost every hour. Consider receiving commission alerts while traveling, sleeping, or spending time with family and loved ones. Now, in order to make this work, you don't have to always stick with your computer or your mobile phone. In fact, if you apply the right strategy, which I am about to show you, this could be pretty automated and is going to be one of the quickest and easiest passive income streams that you can start today. In fact, if you watch until the very end of this video, I will even give you an underground secret method to make 5 times or even 10 times more money if you watch until the very end of this video. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Please do subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before we begin. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment area below. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful. Okay, now let's return to the video. First, go to Google and type Unbounce into the search bar. Then scroll down below and look for the official website, which is unbounce.com, the landing page builder and platform. Go ahead and click on this link and it will take you to the official website of Unbounce. We will use this website in today's tutorial to make money online. Now let me show you something really interesting. You can be earning as much as $320 right here, or $800, or even $1,600, and that is just a rough estimate of how much money you can earn. If you keep watching, I will show you how to generate 10 times your earnings in an automated way very easily and quickly. To give you a heads up, Unbounce is a software that allows people to create different web pages. So, let me quickly show you what Unbounce is all about. Unbounce allows customers to design beautiful landing pages and create different websites. Let me show you some examples of the websites that Unbounce is able to create. You can see different categories of websites, and right here, they even showed you a lot of different examples. You can open these examples if you want later on, but don't worry because we are not going to create any web pages or videos. We also don't need any technical skills or previous experience. I just want to show you how powerful Unbounce software is to allow our people to create beautiful and stunning websites. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. And now let's get back to the video. Just like this one, now that I've shown you how Unbounce works, I would like to show you how we can make a lot of money by utilizing their partner program. Now I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of this website once you go over to the homepage of unbounce.com, and then under the company section, I want you to click on a partner program, and from there, that is going to bring you to this page. You can see here that you can earn 20 recurring revenue for every referral they pay you every single month consistently in recurring commission, and that is why this is a great website. This means once you set up the system in the first place, you can keep on making recurring commissions every single month real quick. Let me show you the total of 4 different pricing packages of Unbounce, and once again, this is a 100% free method. You don't have to purchase anything, and in fact, the strategy in today's video is that we will be referring to other people and promoting Unbounce to other people. As you can see here, $80 per month, $120, $200, and even $300 per month, so that you can see right here that $300 is the greatest monthly income deal. Now, let me show you your earning potential on this particular website. $300 per month multiplied by 12 months equals $3,600. From there, we can generate 20% of the commission, which means that from one single customer, we can earn $720 from just one single click. For one customer, you can easily get $720 without doing much effort. All we have to do is use a very simple, free, and automated method to promote and refer Unbounce to other people, and we can generate a lot of income. Okay, if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Now let's get back to the video. If you want to join up for a free account for the Unbounce Partner Program, all you have to do is click on the Sign Up Now button, and as you can see above, a chat bar will appear at the bottom, and from there you will have to answer a few questions to fully sign up for a free account. So as you can see, you are ready to become an Unbounce partner. You will be directed to this page where you will enter your email address, create a password for your account, and then click on this Sign Me In button, which will lead you to the dashboard of your brand new account. Once you've successfully created your account, the first thing you will need to do is agree to the terms of service in order to get your unique referral link. Then you will click on this button to agree to that. And congratulations! That is how you can create a free account on the Unbounce Partner Program. Now on the summary page, you can see how many clicks you're going to receive, how many referrals they are going to get, and how much money you're already making. Because this is a fresh new account, you have no earnings as of yet, but you will soon begin to earn a lot of money following the exact technique. Right now, click on the links button right here and then click on the dismiss button. And that is where we can see your unique referral link, and all you have to do is click on this copy button to copy your link. So moving on to the next step, I want you to go to Quora and sign up for a free Quora account using Google or Facebook. Once you've successfully created an account on Quora, we can begin to post something or answer some questions on Quora. Quora basically works as a forum where a lot of people come through this platform to post different images and videos. They are asking questions and answering questions. And this is where you can get a lot of free and super targeted traffic. So from there, I want you to go to the search bar right here and type in a keyword that is, how do you create a landing page? And that will bring you to this page where you can find different questions that people are asking on how they can create landing pages, and some people are answering, and this is going to be your best opportunity to refer and get free traffic to the Unbounce website by using your referral link, and you are able to earn 20 of the recurring revenue and commission, and depending on what packages they eventually purchase. The more expensive packages that I choose to earn the most amount of money, just like that I showed you, the maximum earnings up to $720 in commission. This is an extremely powerful strategy to get started as a complete beginner. Now all you have to do is click on the answer button right here, which will open up this box where you can simply type in your answers and include your referral link. Then click on the submit button, and that is it. This is a very effective strategy, you know. And if you want to keep making more money, you can simply search different keywords, such as how to create a website, because Unbounce allows its users to create a website as well. And the sky is the limit. You can just keep on searching on different keywords and answering different questions on Quora by simply leaving your referral link to get a lot of free traffic. Well, that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and you learned something new about this content. If you find this video useful, please leave a huge thumbs up and comment down below if you have questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. Once again, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.